Good afternoon, welcome back to the Perkins Garage's YouTube channel, and today we'll be doing a walk around video for this Ford Ranger Thunder. This is featuring a 2-litre bi-turbo engine and a 10-speed automatic gearbox. Warranty is valid till December 2023, so plenty of time left on that yet. Please believe me, this has got so much specification, I'm going to struggle to cover everything. I'll try my very best for you. So we're going to begin at the front of the vehicle, and you can see the red detailing with the sea grey. It's a really nice combination on these Thunders, it really does look good. Coming down now, just that little device there, that's your front facing radar, and that will control a lot of your driver assistance pack. I'll cover that a little bit more once I'm inside the vehicle. Front parking sensors can be found on the bottom lip of the bumper, running all the way around, and these are featured at the front and the rear. I'll show you the rear when we get there. Offside front wheel now, first 18-inch alloy wheel with seat, and that is matched up with a beautiful Continental tyre, and you've got ample of tread left on that for thousands of miles of happy motoring before you even have to think about it. Offside front door now, this is where we can see a bit more of your keyless entry system, so I'll give you a quick demonstration if you're not used to this. Tap on this little indent here and that will lock the vehicle. A quick tap behind the door handle and it shall unlock the vehicle from us. Don't worry, you can only do it if the key is in close proximity, such as your pocket or handbag. So it's a really safe system, yeah, I really like. So moving down the vehicle now, just to give you an opportunity to assess some of the bodywork. As you can see for yourself, absolutely immaculate all the way around. So rear of the vehicle now, as you can tell, and we can see your mountain top roll cover. Unfortunately, I've only got one hand, so I'm not going to demonstrate that opening up completely because I'll never be able to get back in the video. But yeah, that retracts all the way back and you can open it back to the closed position. That flips up quite nicely. So coming down, you can see your rear vision parking camera just below the 4 badge there. Number plate lights either side, factory fitted tow bar. Just straighten it up for you there. Beautiful. And again, parking sensors can be found around the back there as well. You do have your EU electrical socket, so that's the new in there. Cover all your needs for towing. Near side of the vehicle now, again we'll just whiz around the body. There's nothing really to report on it, it's absolutely immaculate, like new, sir. Again, red thundering badges appear on the near side also. So let's have a quick look inside the vehicle now. We'll start the rear. If it's not locked, let me unlock it. And we're back in the business. So these Thunders come with really gorgeous red stitching on all parts of the leather. There's the rear of the vehicle for us. Again, red stitching all the way around the leather. 3 seats there. Nice little drinks holder for the passengers also. Got a 12-volt socket, and you've also got a 150-watt plug socket for good measure. Keeping those devices nice and charged on that longer journeys. If you're in the trade, you need to charge up drills or your radio, or I don't know, you could probably even make a cup of tea out of it. So that's beautiful to have a plug socket. Right, near side, offside front door, now door card, with electrical windows controlled on there, lock for the rear windows, and interior locking is found there also. Just jump in now. And the front seats, your red Thunder badge does appear on the seats again. I've just sat on the driver's seat, so I can't show you my one, but it's exactly the same as the passenger seat. Okay. So with the keyless entry, you've also got your push button start stop. So click on that, and turn everything on for us. So here you can see your split. So you've got all your infotainment screen to the left hand side and all your vehicle settings to the right hand side. So you can see that nice and clearly, and a big speed dial in the middle with your gear indicator just below it there. You have cruise control buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel and controls to go through your car settings, and equally controls to go through your infotainment screen, and all of your phone connectivity buttons feature on the left hand side as well. If we go to the middle now, we can see your Sync 3 module. Obviously we're currently on your navigation. I can zoom out there, really responsive screen, nice and easy to operate. So that's where your Ford navigation's found. Click on the home button there That'll return us to square one, and there you can see you've got your audio, climate, phone connectivity, navigation, mobile apps, and your settings. The vehicle supports Bluetooth, so if you're a Bluetooth user, connect your phone via Bluetooth, use all your controls on your steering wheel, and you can be hands-free. If not, this vehicle also features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so plug your phone in and you've got full use of all your accessories and applications on this screen as well. That also includes things such as navigation. So if you don't like using the Ford navigation and want to use Waze or Apple Maps or Google Maps, they're all compatible on this screen, so that's easily done. Any questions about that, give me a call, I'll explain it to you. Going south once more. What's that? Oh, it's a CD player. So back in the day, people had CDs with music on it. You pop it in there and it'll play music. So if you do have CDs, Bob's your uncle. Plug it in, listen to CDs. Happy days. I'm going to move the gear selector out of the way and show you a bit more of the air conditioning system. So we have two temperature controls here. So if I get the climate screen on as well, I can look awfully. Oh, look at that. So there's your climate screen. So you can either adjust it on this side of the screen. You can set individual temperatures for either side of the cabin. So if you do have a hot passenger, you can cool them off whilst warming yourself up. As you can see there, you also have all your features such as your recirculation, different vents, and also got different settings in there as well. Okay, so obviously they're all controlled on there also. Heated front seats, heated steering, heated front screen even, are all found on this cluster of switches down here. And again, we have a 12-volt socket here and here, so charging devices, power banks, drills, all be done in your vehicle whilst you're on your way. Two USB sockets and a multitude of switches here. This is regarding your gearbox and what setting you've got your gearbox in, automated stop-start, diff lock, hill descent control, traction control, self-parking and parking sensors. Self-parking, really beautiful feature. Believe it or not, for a very large vehicle like this Ranger is, it'll park itself for you as well. So if you don't like parking big vehicles, don't worry, it's got you covered. We can park it for you. Quick look at the gear selector, fairly standard. Park, reverse, neutral, drive and a sport to increase the revs before changing gear. If you did want the manual control, we do have an up and down feature there and there, so it can be a semi-automatic gearbox if you like. Nice conventional handbrake and a nice little cubby hole here and drinks holders. So I believe I've covered quite a lot. Obviously there's still thousands of bits of specification I haven't covered on this vehicle. If you would like to know anything else, please do give myself a call on 01376 550 899. We can organise test drives, finance. Please do give us a call and we'll get you booked in. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye bye.